Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are solving mathematical physics written by H.K. Das, and today we are going to solve the question of Fourier series, that is question number 7 of exercise 11.3. And in this question we have to find sine series and cosine series for the function e power x in between the limits 0 to pi. So students, already we have discussed in the previous questions, for these types of question we have to apply this formula: e power ax sin bx dx will be equals to this, and e power ax cos bx dx will be equals to this. So students, first of all we will calculate sine series, and the formula to find the sine series is this: summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where bn equals to this. Okay, so first of all I will calculate the value of bn, and bn sorry, bn will be equals to 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi e power ax, means 1x dot sine nx dx. Okay, so its integration will be, I will apply this formula over there, and its value will become e power ax, means e power x divided by n square plus 1 into a sine bx, a means 1 dot sine nx minus b cos bx, b means n and cos nx. Now putting the limits from 0 to pi. Okay, so we know that in between the limits 0 to pi sin nx will be 0, as sin n pi is 0 and sin 0 is 0. So this term can also be written as minus n, I can take outside common, minus n divided by n square plus 1 e power x cos nx. Okay, now putting the limits over there 0 to pi, and 2 by pi is also with that. So this value will turn into minus 2n by n square plus 1 into pi, and e power x means e power pi cos n pi minus e power 0 cos 0. Okay, so this value will turn into, this minus I can take inside common, and this value will turn into 2 by pi into n by n square plus 1 into sorry, e power pi minus 1 power n cos n pi is, and minus 1. So this minus will plus, and this value will be minus only. So this value will turn into 2 by pi into n divided by n square plus 1 bracket start 1 minus 1 power n dot e power pi. So this will be the value of bn. Now putting it in the formula, that is sine series. So sine series will become summation n from 1 bn. Okay, and bn is 2 by pi n divided by n square plus 1 into 1 minus 1 power n e power pi into sine n pi. Okay, so this will be the required sine series, and 2 by pi I can take outside common, 2 by pi, and summation n from 1 to infinity n divided by n square plus 1 into 1 minus 1 power n e power pi and sin nx. So this is the required answer for sine series. Okay, now finally we have to calculate for cosine series, and for cosine series we will calculate first the value of a naught and an. Okay, sorry, to calculate the value of a naught, I will put the values just like that. Sorry, a naught will be equals to 1 by pi integrating from 0 to pi the function, that is fx dx. Okay, so integrating e power x from 0 to pi will be e power x only, and 1 by pi I will multiply with that, and putting the limits from 0 to pi we will get its value 1 by pi into e power pi minus e power 0. So this value will turn into e power pi minus 1 divided by pi only. So this is the 2 also we have to multiply with that. So finally this value will 2 into e power pi minus 1 divided by pi, and sorry, the value of a naught by 2 will be e power pi minus 1 divided by pi only. So this is the value of a naught by 2, and now to calculate the value of an we will integrate it 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi the function, that is e power x and cos nx dx. Okay, so finally I will apply this formula with that, and we will get its value. We will get its value just like that. 2 by pi I will put outside, and inside e power x divided by n square plus 1 into a means 1 cos bx, cos b means nx, and plus b means n sin nx. Okay, and putting the limits from 0 to pi. Okay, so again here in between the limits 0 to pi, sin n pi will be 0 only, so we will integrate this value only, and this value will turn into 2 by pi, and integrating putting the values n square plus 1 also I can take outside common, inside e power x dot cos nx, putting the limits from 0 to pi, we will get its value just like that, 2 by pi into n square plus 1 inside e power pi dot cos n pi minus e power 0 cos 0. Okay, so its value will be 2 by pi into n square plus 1 into e power pi minus 1 power n minus 1. Okay, so this will be the value for the for the value of an. So now we can get the cosine series. Cosine series can be written by the formula a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity a n cos nx. So this value we can write, the value of a naught by 2, we found a naught by 2 is e power pi minus 1 by pi, e power pi minus 1 by pi plus value of an I can take 2 by pi outside, and inside 1 by n square plus 1 into e power pi minus 1 power n minus 1 and cos nx. Okay, cos nx. So now putting the values of n equals to 1 2 3 1 2 3 up to dash dash dash, we will get its value. No need to put its value, we can get it just like that. And one more thing we can do, this minus I can sorry, this minus I can take outside, no need to put n equals to 1 2 3 because this is the required answer. E power pi minus 1 divided by pi minus 2 by pi I can write it over there, and here I will put summation. Oh sorry, I had not put the summation, n from 1 to infinity, and 1 minus 1 power n e power pi divided by n square plus 1 and cos nx. So this is the required answer. Thank you, have a good day.